Yeah, yeah.
I'm still on a moreplex decoder. There are also some other problems people are facing on this decoder, and they don't know how to go about it. This is our moreplex card. Now, when you got a brand new moreplex decoder, it comes with all the accessories in the decoder box. You have this card. Some people have moreplex decoder and they're also having problems like terminal not active, and they don't know how to go about that problem. Or they think their decoder is having a problem that cannot be solved. That is a minor fault. It can still be solved. So when you are facing problems like terminal not active, how to go about this problem? It is very simple to solve this problem. Terminal not active. Very simple to solve this problem. When you bought your brand new decoder from your shop, you got a brand new decoder from your shop. After unboxing this carton, you had this card that came out of your decoder. Now, on this card, when you turn behind this card, there is a serial number pasted behind this card. Or on your carton of your decoder, there is a serial number pasted on the carton. Now, even on your decoder, when you go behind your decoder, you also find a serial number behind your decoder. Okay, some serial number may come and maybe in the process of packaging this carton, they may omit the serial number and take a serial number of another decoder and paste on your carton. That is the reason why you have a serial number under your decoder, you have a serial number on your card, and you have a serial number on your carton. That means when you have your moreplex decoder like this, verify if on your carton you are having the same serial number with your card, the same serial number with your decoder. In case that if your carton is missing or if your card is missing, you will simply turn your decoder and you will find your serial number under your decoder. Let me show you what I mean behind your decoder. This is what I mean. Behind your decoder, there is also a serial number behind your decoder. So if you got your decoder, verify first your serial number. If the same serial number you have on your decoder is the same serial number on your card, the same serial number on your carton. In case of problems like terminal not active, to solve these problems. So when you verify all this information, now you can now contact a supplier or your distributor. When you contact your supplier or your distributor, he will ask you to snap your problem, or contact your supplier or your distributor with the image of your problem sent to your supplier or to your distributor. Now, your supplier or your distributor may ask you, what is your serial number? This is your serial number on your card. your serial number behind your decoder, your serial number on your carton. Send him those information. He will activate and unlock it. So problems like terminal not active, it simply means that your bundle has expired. Maybe you subscribe for 1 month bundle, or you subscribe for daily bundle. When it finish, you will find problems like terminal not active, terminal not active. Some people think that terminal not active is a new problem. Now, in some decoders, it will appear as program not processed. Program not processed. So contact your supplier or your distributor and this problem will be solved. When you contact your supplier or your distributor, he will ask you to send your details. Those details have been given to you. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.